Assalamualaikum class 5th. Today we are going to read the story about the show. As you have read the story, I'm going to tell you a story about it, that what's happening in the show. There were two persons, William and his best friend Henry. They were both very good friends, and they were also like outliers. They also fugitive from the laws, and one day they were decided to get to buy some bows and arrows, but they have not enough money to buy bows and arrows. Due to that, they think the one person's like William thought a plan. He said to the Henry, we were doing how it can possible for us to bring the too expensive thing. These are very expensive things, and it cannot easily for us to buy them. So he said, I have a plan to make a show. We could do a show, and in the show we will get some animals and charge our friends for some money, for looking at them, like at the zoo. After then his best friends Henry also agreed with him. When they end the home at the time of period of tea, his parents, William parents and Aunt Emily, they were Aunt Emily was a very tall lady, but she was always having a cold for about 2 years, and she spent her days eating and sleeping. So he had knowledge that she was sleeping and eating at that time. We will arrange the show in the house, and we will make a house like a zoo. There we can get some animals and also painted them. Due to that, we get some money from the friends who came here, like exhibition. So they were decided, and then William had written a card for the friends, for the persons who came here to just to watch the show. So he said that there was a large white rat with painted in the blue and pink strips. There was also a cat shut in a cat basket. Then it was a very angrily cat, and she also scratched by its claws. And he also wrote that there was also a tall giant. Then due to that, his body was wrapped in a large sheet. Then he also wrote that there was a black fox fur which had belonged to William's grandmother. So it was laid on the floor as though it was asleep. There was Henry's small pet dog. Henry had painted it blue. So after that, when they were arranged the show, some of the persons came here just to see the exhibition, just to watch the exhibition. They also first of all, they for the exhibition, the two persons collect the money from them. And then when they entered the house, he know that the family members were not at home. Someone like Emily had Aunt Emily is in the bedroom, and she was sleeping here. So they started their exhibition here, and they also shows the things like first of all, they shows the only blue and pink color of rat in the whole wide world. And he said about it that and he shows that it lives in China and was brought over specially for the show. Due to that, when this it was very suspected for all of the persons who are here. And then all of are very surprised to see it. And then he said, it's a wild cat here, don't close near to it, because it was very hissing and spitting. It's like a wild cat, and it can be danger for it can be very fierce as for the persons who came near to it. Then the William had decided to introduce all the exhibitions for a large deep drawer starting coming from the next room. Then he heard the loud sound that was coming from the next room. And you know what is here, that there was thunder, and that Emily was having, after having a some nap in the afternoon, and she was snoring at that time. But and the audience seemed very interesting, that who was there, and that which type of the loud sound came here. And the William person one was very clever. He went to the room of Emily, and at there he saw that there is the comb of her, and there are some hair piece, and she usually tied it in her own hair. Due to that hair, he also saw that there are glass containing her false teeth. As you know, she has no teeth, and she wear the false teeth, false. So William came back and quickly wrote notices for these objects, that what I had done from these objects. Then the wild woman's hairpiece and the wild woman's teeth, he wrote another notice for Auntie Emily too. Then the persons also came back, rejoined the show, and also make a queue. They also pay extra money to revisit the snorer, because the person, William, also said to them, now after that I will also show you a snorer thing. Then he shows the different objects of the Emily. Then suddenly, in the middle of all this, Auntie Emily awoke with a start, and then there is another part of this show. We will read after completing these activities. So come here. You can see there is a second. Correct the false statements with information from the text. I will explain in Urdu, because most of the persons have no knowledge, and they also asked me the question that what was happened in the show. यहाँ पर एक पर्सन था, विलियम, और उसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड था हेनरी. वो ऐसे जाने चाहते थे जैसे कि वो आउटला ब्रेकर हो, मतलब कानून को तोड़ने वाले, और स्कूल बॉयज गैंग था एक तरह से. तो उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि वो क्या लेना चाहते थे, एक कमान और तीर लेना चाहते थे. कमान और तीर लेना चाहते थे, लेकिन उनके पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे कि वो ये ले सके. और वो कहते थे कि इससे हमने क्या करना है, हमने परिंदों और चिकन्स वगैरह जो भी चीज़ें उन चीज़ों का हमने क्या करना है, शिकार करना है. जैसे कि क्या होते हैं, जैसे कि खिलाफ कानून के खिलाफ वर्जी करने वाले लोग इस तरह के काम करते हैं, हम भी उस तरह के काम करेंगे. अच्छा, लेकिन उनके सोचने लगे कि हमारे पास तो इतने पैसे ही नहीं है कि हम ये चीज़ें ख़रीद सकें. इसलिए उन्होंने एक क्या काम किया, उन्होंने एक एग्ज़िबिशन बनाने का सोचा, एक शो तैयार करने का सोचा, कि जिसमें वो क्या करेंगे, मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के जानवरों को दिखाएंगे, और लोग इस तरह एक शो दिखाने के लिए वो लोगों से पैसे इकट्ठे करेंगे, और पैसे इकट्ठे करने के बाद क्या करेंगे, वो ये बो और एरो को ख़रीद लेंगे. इस तरह जब उन्हें पता चला कि घर में तो इस टाइम जो है कुछ पर्सन जो है वो सो रहे होंगे, और कोई जो है वो घर से बाहर होंगे अपने दोस्तों से मिलने के लिए, तो उस टाइम हम ये शो करेंगे. तो उन्होंने जब देखा कि विलियम ने जब देखा कि आंट एमली जो है वो बेडरूम में सो रही हैं और वो खराटे ले रही हैं, तो पहले तो उन्होंने दूसरे एनिमल्स की थिंग्स दिखा के लोगों से पैसे इकट्ठे किए. लेकिन उसके बाद उन्होंने एक ब्रेक ली, और ब्रेक के बाद जब उन्हें लोगों को एक ऊंची आवाज़ सुनाई दी, तो उस टाइम उसने कहा कि मैं आपको एक और चीज़ दिखाऊंगा, जो कि बड़ी ज़्यादा जो कि क्या एक वाइल्ड वोमेन है. तो लोग बड़े उनके लिए सरप्राइजिंग वे था कि हम किस तरह से जो है हम इसको वो उनके लिए सरप्राइजिंग वे था कि हम लोग इस चीज़ को देख सकें. तो इसके लिए उन्होंने दोबारा से पैसे जो थे वो जमा करवाए इस चीज़ को देखने के लिए. तो विलियम ने क्या किया, आंट एमली की जो चीज़ें थी, लाइक उसका बाल हो गए, उसके नकली दांत जो थे, इस तरह की चीज़ों को उसने उसके ऊपर लपेट कर, और वो जब खराटे ले रही थी उसको शो किया कि ये क्या है, एक वाइल्ड वोमन है. इस वजह से उसे और ज़्यादा पैसे मिले. तो इसका पार्ट 2 भी है, तो इंशाल्लाह वो हम नेक्स्ट टाइम रीड आउट करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर सेकंड एक्टिविटी है करेक्ट द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट विद इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट. तो ये आप चेकआउट कर लें, आपने इनको प्रॉपर्ली नोट डाउन करना है नोटबुक पे. ایکٹیویٹی نمبر 2 کو نوٹ بک پہ نوٹ ڈاؤن کریں گے اور 3 کو بک پہ. تھینک یو.